How are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is this graphics program should draw caterpillars. Caterpillars has an circles. Circles used for a loop to draw the caterpillar's centers directly in the screens. Every other circular is a different colors. When is even the circular should be red. When is odd the circular should be green. Remember that zero then even numbers. Be sure that a caterpillar is still drawn across the whole canvas even if the volume of numbers circular change. Yeah, the correct answer of the question is to draw a caterpillar with a specified condition in Python. You can use the turtle module. Here's a simple code that accomplish this. Python copy codes import turtle number circulars. Then you can change this value, adjust the number of the circulars. The formula is given to below. Draw a caterpillar number circulars. The hashtag close the tutorial graphics window on click screens. Extonic you can adjust the number circulars variable to change the numbers of the circulars in the caterpillar. Simply run this code and it draws caterpillar centers vertically on the screens with alternating and red green circular. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.